Does anyone else have a deep love for water? So good. Hello, good morning. Today we are going to be doing a day in my life at UC Berkeley online senior year edition. Starting off with some breakfast. I usually eat a healthy breakfast.
Weird flex, but okay.
But I've been eating this for like 3 days straight because my mom made it, which is kimchi jjigae, which is kimchi stew. Oh wow, pressure. Okay, there we go. She also made it with like pork ribs in there, so it is really delicious. It's too hot for me to show you, but it's really good. And I have this much rice. I don't really eat a lot of white rice unless it's like on the weekends with my parents and like family dinners, but this is so good. I could eat this every day. So I'm just finishing this up, so. Update. I spilled on my jacket or sweater, but it's fine. We'll change. So, not to be a basic, all the other genty, oh, I just hiccuped and coughed, YouTuber, but we're gonna start that montage of coffee now. Oh, I do want to show you all. My mom bought us some new Nespresso pods. You guys know I use this thing like not every day, like every other day. And then we got these awesome flavors. Like, I think this is the vanilla eclair and caramel creme brulee. I say caramel, but I heard it's caramel. So I'm gonna have and also the cocoa truffle. So we are going to try this flavor today. And it's nicely organized in our little coffee store. Honestly, get yourself an espresso machine or some kind of coffee machine at home, except I don't like the Keurig because I don't like drip coffee, but this is so good because I can make lattes. With the Keurig, it's like drip coffee, so like it's more coffee-y, not like latte-y. I don't know. So excited! So excited! Okay, it totally does smell like caramel and creme brulee, but I tasted it. It doesn't like taste like a creme brulee. It kind of does, but it's like super faint, you know? Taste test. It's really good. It does taste like caramel brulee because I added the sweetener now, so like it kind of enhances the unsweet tastes of caramel brulee. Delicious. So now we are totally in class. I usually do class either here at the kitchen or in my room, but today, oh, I still have a stain on my shirt. Just ignore that. I'm gonna change in like an hour or something.
Possibly do the city council this case on your outcome.
I have class going on in the background at the kitchen, but I decided to do my skincare real quick because my skin was feeling a little dry. Don't act like you haven't done that before. Senioritis is definitely kicking in because I already know where I'm working after full time, which I will announce maybe next week or something. So I just want to focus on social media and like grow this and like get to meet new people and help more people, and I have this time basically until I graduate and until I start work to just develop my social media stuff, which is super cool. So I want to like put my eggs in the right basket, which I feel like right now it's in social media because I already have a full-time job. So yeah, I'm not gonna tank my GPA. Obviously, I'm gonna try to get like A's and B's, but like I'm not gonna go as crazy as before where I would like try to get all A's because I just could use that time more wisely and like make more cool content for you guys. So yeah, I need to go get my brow thing, so I'll be right back. I did my brows. I feel like brows make or break everything. They just make you look extra nice. I'm not gonna wear a foundation today, but I'm gonna wear this finishing powder from Physicians Formula. It's in the shade medium, and honestly, getting a PR package from Physicians Formula was such a big deal because I use their stuff all the time. Their butter bronzer, you guys have seen me use it like every makeup video. Okay, so I did like eyeliner and eyeshadow. I'm not wearing mascara. Ooh, that was a I'm using my favorite gloss from Tower 28. Their lip jelly in XOXO. Oh guys, I still have my breakfast in my teeth. Okay, let's go back to class. Have you guys seen that TikTok that's like, I worked for 5 minutes and it's time to take a break.
I worked for 5 minutes, so it's time to take a break.
I am going back to my room to change. Should I change sweaters? It's fine. I'm going to start catching up on accounting because, well, I'm behind. So we are going to be doing that. So I just wrapped up some schoolwork, and in my free time I've been loving learning new skills. You all know that's kind of like my whole thing is like, let's get this read, improve yourself, take advantage of 2020 and learn new things. That's why I'm super excited to be collaborating with Data Camp for this portion of the vlog. If you don't know, Data Camp is an online learning community where they teach you all things data science, data analytics for only $25 a month. If you click the link below, you can actually get the first chapter of all the courses for free. So definitely click the link, check it out, see if you like it. I'm not just saying this, I only work with brands I really enjoy and really believe in, but data science or data is not even the future, it's the now. And I'm not like kidding you, regardless of industry, medicine, marketing, finance, tech, law, learning how to synthesize, understand, analyze data is chef's kiss. Is so valuable. Having data science or data anything on your resume looks so great for internships, jobs, employers, recruiters are going to just, it's so valuable. You are going to be so valuable. So they make it super easy, digestible for you to learn at your own pace, tons of assessments. So definitely try it out. I've been on it for the last few days and I've been learning so many new things. I unfortunately didn't get to take a data class at UC Berkeley, but this is perfect. So I can really take it at my own pace. There's no pressures of a grade and I'm still getting such a high quality learning experience and I can still put it on my resume. So I highly recommend it. Check out the link below, check out Data Camp and just try it out and you're gonna get a whole bunch of chapters for free. And who knows, maybe you want to pursue data science as a major, be a data scientist. There's so many pathways, even if you don't become a data scientist, that this would be so useful for so many industries and skills. I'm not just saying this, I'm really serious. Comment below if you end up trying it and if you like it. I would love to see what you guys think and maybe I'll do another video about like learning new skills. But yeah, definitely check out Data Camp and let's get back to the vlog. So I just finished doing my accounting homework and I changed a new shirt because you no longer have to look at my kimchi stain on my pink sweater. This is a black crop, ruche crop. Did I just say top 3? Did I just say crop and top like 3 times? Maybe I did. And it has the drawstring on the side. I've been obsessed with this style. If you follow me on my Instagram, you definitely know I have way too many of this style, but I just love it so much. Okay, it's like that angle, that TikTok, I didn't make it, I just microwaved it. Some sweet potatoes that was already cooked, but I just heated it up and decided to do some work in the dining table. Yeah, dining table. We don't really use this table besides Sundays, so there's my glasses. I want to be held accountable for my accounting class because I have an accounting midterm. Now I am very annoying, so yeah, it's like awfully bright, right? It's fine. Okay, so let's, do you guys like to have, okay, I like to have my laptop on the left, this iPad on the right, there we go, snacks on the right, and then water on the right. This glasses has some smudges. That's good enough. Okay, after much hours of studying, I did an IG Live study with me session on Your College Sis, so if you want to see all things Gen Z college resources, more tip stuff, definitely check out Your College Sis. And now it is 6:30 p.m. I'm going to go on for a light jog. Oh, actually no, it should be a heavy run. I got some pounds to lose and get back in shape. But yeah, also I have a Discord. I'm not sure if you've joined it yet. Definitely join. Super fun. I had you all put together like an October collaborative Spotify playlist, and it's popping. It's so good. So yeah, check it out. If you like music, drop your hits. Everyone has great music recs. So let's go run right now.
I realized I am a terrible vlogger and I forgot to record myself like changing, well, not like changing, but getting ready for the jog. But I just came back from the run. I have some makeup on my eyes, but this eyeliner holds up pretty well for the most part. Yeah, let's make some dinner and then I'll take a shower. But I'm going to be listening to Pretty Basic podcast just to get the time going. And yeah, let's make some din. What am I gonna have? I want some salmon. Someone's at the door.
So for having additional stop signs within the community, we are having a meeting on Friday evening near the swimming pool. If you could join, it would be great.
Thank you.
Okay, we're just gonna be doing some iPhone vlogging right now. Do we hate iPhone vlogging or it's fine, right? It's fine. I ordered this pad thai set from Amazon because I saw Chrissy Teigen and her mom make it. They said it was the best pad thai. It had like 0 reviews on Amazon, very suspicious, but this package is very high quality made. I'm hoping I didn't get scammed, and if I was, then I will be telling you that Chrissy Teigen scammed everybody. I'll start that tea. It's super simple. It just has the noodles and sauce for pad thai. Okay, update. Okay, not even an update. It's like been 5 seconds, Angelica. What the heck? I can't find the chicken, but I did find shrimp. So I guess we're gonna have a shrimp pad thai, which is fine. And I didn't find any bean sprouts, which I'm bummed about, but I did find green onions. So I guess it's gonna be a pretty simple pad thai. I'm gonna try to find more veggies, but it smells a little shrimpy. Okay, now we are also going to be adding some farm tofu. There we go. And I'm just gonna cut. It's so satisfying cutting tofu. Oh my gosh, she really did it. By that I mean I literally put together a simple recipe, but look at this. Look at that pad. Okay, we're gonna put it. See? Incorporate it. Oof. Look at that. Oof. Look at that pad thai masterpiece, Korat style. Okay, we are going to be doing a taste test. First, the noodles. Very good, very good. Okay, let's try the tofu. Also very good. Green onions, we like it. Wow. The noodles are slightly under, but it's fine. I should have cooked them a little longer, but it's fine. I'm the worst, so I forgot to vlog the rest of my night, but I went live on YouTube. I did a study with me. I am so tired. So it's literally, hey Google, what time is it?
It's 3 a.m.
It's 3 a.m. I'm very tired, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff. And I love you all so much. Join my Discord, check it out, and I'll see you all in the next one.